Today we've actually prepared the jacket which is standing behind me for the topside installation. We're almost ready for the final installation, the installation of the topsides. 2,000 tons, almost 30 by 40 by 30 meters, so already a big construction. But during the jacket, the installation of the piles and stabbing of the piles was a little bit more complex, and now it should be a fairly easy exercise.
The lift went very smoothly. We picked it up. As expected, it made a little bit noise when it came loose from the barge, but all in all everything went very smoothly. It was put in the jacket, there was no constraints there. Putting it down was a perfect lift. So the topside is on. Seaway Heavy Lifting, who have installed the topside, will now perform the last welds to connect the topside with the jacket. Then their campaign is done. Then we move into the offshore commissioning, and finally we start pulling in the cables. So we're nearing the end phase of the project.